Hey there, gadget lovers. Get ready, because today we're diving into a list that's packed with creativity, innovation, and pure excitement. We've handpicked 6 incredible products that will make your everyday life smarter, more stylish, and a lot more fun. Whether you're a builder, traveler, or tech enthusiast, this lineup has something special for everyone. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 6, SOG PowerAccess. Meet the SOG PowerAccess, the ultimate 21-in-1 tactical multi-tool for anyone who loves being ready for anything. Crafted from durable steel, this compact beast packs pliers, a knife, screwdrivers, and plenty of EDC tools all in one foldable design. Perfect for outdoor survival, camping, or emergency gear, the SOG PowerAccess is built to handle tough jobs with confidence. It's not just a multi-tool, it's a pocket-sized powerhouse that can replace your entire toolkit. Whether you're fixing, cutting, or tightening, this rugged tool has your back wherever adventure takes you. Number 5. Baseus Charger Stand. The Baseus 22.5 watts 3-in-1 wireless charger stand is a game-changer for Apple users. With Qi 2 certified 15-watt magnetic fast charging, it powers your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods all at once. What makes it truly impressive is the built-in cryo-core cooling system, powered by AI smart chip technology, which keeps your charging temperature between 16 degrees Celsius and 35 degrees Celsius for safe and efficient performance. Operating 5,000 times per minute, the cooling fan works silently while maintaining high speed. Its elegant 70-degree angle design ensures perfect viewing while charging, and the mute button keeps things peaceful at night. If you love a clean, powerful, and quiet setup, this is the ultimate charging solution for your Apple devices. Number 4. Mist Spray Diffuser. Transform your space into a calm, aromatic oasis with the ultra-quiet Mist Spray Diffuser. This compact yet powerful device delivers soothing humidification while diffusing essential oils for a relaxing, spa-like environment. With advanced safety features like automatic power off when the water level is low, it's designed for peace of mind. The ultra-quiet operation makes it perfect for your home, office, or bedroom, letting you enjoy moisture-rich air without any noise. It's USB-powered and portable, so you can bring serenity anywhere you go. Just add a few drops of your favorite essential oil and let the colorful lighting and gentle mist create an atmosphere of pure relaxation. Number 3. Nifeliz Engine Model. Get ready to unleash your inner engineer with the Nifeliz L6 Engine Building Set, a 2,820-piece masterpiece for adults who love precision and creativity. This advanced collector's model lets you build a fully functional miniature engine where pistons pump, valves breathe, and gears move in perfect harmony. You can even crank it manually and adjust belt tension for a custom run. Every metallic painted piece shines with mechanical realism, turning this project into both a hands-on challenge and an art display. Whether you're an engineering fan or a hobby builder, this is a satisfying creation that looks amazing on any desk or shelf. Number 2. Rokr Pinball Puzzle. Next up is the incredible Robotime Rokr Pinball model, a 3D wooden puzzle that's part game, part mechanical art. Featuring over 650 laser-cut wooden pieces, this DIY model transforms into a fully playable marble game once assembled. You'll spend hours immersed in the build, crafting ramps, gears, and a marble elevator, all without glue or batteries. Once complete, it becomes an interactive kinetic sculpture where gears turn and marbles roll through the maze. And yes, there's even a victory bell when you win. It's beautifully packaged, making it a perfect gift for puzzle lovers, engineers, or anyone who enjoys hands-on creativity. This is more than a puzzle. It's a work of art that you build, play, and proudly display. Number 1. RGB Pickup Light. Bring your desk, gaming setup, or living room to life with the RGB Pickup Light, a modern LED rhythm light that reacts to your music in real time. With adjustable brightness and color modes, this dimmable light bar transforms your favorite tunes into a visual experience. Made from high-quality alloy, it combines sleek design with vibrant energy, perfect for decoration or mood lighting. powered by AC. It delivers strong luminous performance while staying stylish in black-plated modern form. Whether you're hosting, gaming, or relaxing, this light adds rhythm, color, and energy to every moment. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.